Hello, today we're going to show you how to get your G19 gas fireplace lit using a Murtec valve and remote control system. So let's come and take a closer look at our remote system here. So first thing I want to point out is we have our flame up button, our flame down button, our set button, and our off button. And as you can see, the off button and the flame up button are interconnected with a line with a little spark in between the two of them. So when we first go to get this system lit, we're going to need to press both of these buttons at the exact same time and hold them down only for about a second. So we're going to do that right now. And that's it. We can hear the system beeping, letting us know that it received our command. It's going to beep for several seconds, and then we're going to hear a fast striking tick, 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 tick noise. There it is. So once the igniter goes ahead and lights the pilot, we'll get a confirmation beep that the pilot is lit, and then just a few seconds later, the main burner will turn on. Now, in order to modulate the adjustment of the flames, we're going to use the up and down flame adjustment buttons. So if we just click and hold flame down, as when the system does first turn on, it goes to the highest BTU output. So we're just going to click and hold this, have the flames go down a little bit, and you won't see a gigantic jump from a high flame to a low flame. It's really modulating the BTU of the system. We can get it to go down a little bit more. That's likely about as low as it's going to go. If I continue to click and hold just the flame down button, the burner will shut off. And I do actually recommend during the winter months when you're going to be using it to only turn the system on and off once you've got the pilot lit by using the double button method we did at the beginning of the video. You should only then use the up and down flame buttons in order to turn the system on and off. Otherwise, every time you go to use it, you will have to go through the pilot ignition sequence, which is using both of these buttons. So at the beginning of the season, September, October, whenever you're ready to start using this, you go ahead and push both the off button and the flame up button. That will light the pilot and then allow the burner to turn on. And then you just use the flame up and flame down buttons to turn the system up and down or on or off. If you push the off button, it will shut the burner off and it will shut the pilot off. If you just use the up and down buttons, the pilot will stay lit all the time, which is recommended. That's about it. You can use the set button to set things like the time. That's really about it. It runs off of a 9-volt battery in the back. And in the back left-hand corner where the control module is, there's a little plastic cover that slides off and will expose 4 AA batteries. Those will need to be replaced periodically, about once a year, in order for the system to work. So if you do ever go to light your appliance and you see that the remote is live, the screen is illuminated, and the system doesn't do anything, you don't get any beeps out of it, check those batteries. They've likely died and need to be replaced. That's how you use your G19 gas fireplace with a Murtec system.